Hello, and welcome to another edition of Tiny Bytes Basic Mac Tutorials. Today we are going to be learning how to create a new folder on the desktop. Folders are convenient places to store your documents, photos, music files, and movies. Start by placing your mouse on an unoccupied area of the desktop. Right-click with your mouse and select the first option, which is New Folder. When you click this option, your new folder will appear nearby. To give your folder a name, select your folder and press the Enter button. This will put the folder in an edit mode so that you can rename your folder. The title of the folder will go from having a colored background to having a clear one. Just click inside the label to change it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Subscribe to Tiny Bytes and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.